After the events in Chicago, where our team faced many obstacles and ultimately defeat at the hands of the chief of police, we decided to move on. After a brief reprieve and 700 miles driving, we finally arrived in Gettysburg. We each tried to explain what this place feels like, but it's difficult to describe. We settled on a few things. There's something sacred here. The monuments help to fill the empty fields where so much happened so long ago. In all of this, one thing struck me profoundly. We've just come from a peace march and been rejected because of our Second Amendment values. I've heard countless times that gun laws are dividing our country like never before. But Gettysburg stands as a reminder of the bloodiest battle in our nation's history, one that we fought against ourselves. The need for unity and peace is becoming paramount.
I have so much of my life tied up in freedom, and I have my future and all my financial security invested in freedom. And this place is particularly meaningful to me.
God bless the men who stood, fought, and died here. God bless them for what they teach us now. And let us find grounds for the peace we so desperately need.